Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. Today is day one, or kind of two. We arrived yesterday, but I guess this is our first day here in the nation's capital. And we went and we had breakfast. So this hotel has a really nice breakfast buffet. I think it's the first time I've seen like a really Western style breakfast buffet. Kind of missed it, to be honest, after over a year here in Thailand. Now we're going to the Icon Siam Mall, which is Icon Siam. Siam, how do you pronounce that?
Siam.
Icon Siam, which is where the Apple Store is. So we're going to the Apple Store to hopefully fix my battery issues.
Did you get your mask?
And okay, got my mask. Going to Icon Siam, take two. So we made an appointment at the Apple Store, but you go check in over there and then you wait in this line, and there's a couple more people, and there's a separate line to go to buy something, and then a separate line here to do something else. And look at all the people waiting. Hold on. All these people are waiting to go into the Apple Store.
Is this the only one in Thailand?
This is the only Apple Store in Thailand, but there are other shops that sell Apple products. But apparently they have a promotion where if you buy an iPad, you get free AirPods. So that's why everybody's here, if you're a student. Check out this coffee shop. So that's a coffee shop, and then all these people are waiting in line and the coffee shop is full. Must be the best coffee ever imagined in the world to wait 20 minutes?
Yeah,
20 minutes for a coffee? Well, looks like everything is kind of back to normal actually. I don't know. So, okay, like everybody's wearing face masks, and you cannot queue one next to the other, you just kind of leave space. But life seems to be okay here. Everything looks like we know it. Just a lot of hand sanitizer, QR code check-ins everywhere, and check-in temperature. So we sit down to eat, and this place is called Tapas, and it's a Spanish and Italian cuisine. I order paella, she ordered pasta, and this is the veranda. It's like an area here in the mall. As we're waiting for the phone to be fixed, we just came to eat, and this area is beautiful. Look at this place. The decor, the details. Mind you, this is just a food court-ish restaurant place. It's all restaurants and cafes here. So I ordered the lobster paella, and Christina got the mushroom pasta.
Which is almost done. I'm gonna dig into this one.
The paella took a little bit longer than the pasta, but that looks delicious. So I found a French bakery, and I found this baguette, and it was hot, and I couldn't resist. I bought a big ass baguette. But check this out. Check out the marbling on these guys. Holy moly. Good morning. This is day 3 in Bangkok, and we went and we had some breakfast, and so we're all good to go, and we're gonna spend a couple of hours to get some work done today. We have to do some orders and catch up on some editing of these blogs, and after that we're gonna visit a building here. It's called King Power. It's the tallest building here in Bangkok, and they have like a little glass skywalk that apparently is terrifying, and we want to check it out.
ก่อนเวลาที่ใช้บริการงดการพูดคุยภายในขบวนรถและหลีกเลี่ยงการหันหน้าเข้าหากันขอบคุณค่ะ
To prevent the spread of COVID-19, passengers are required to wear face masks before entering the BTS SkyTrain system.
guys are ever in Bangkok, you gotta try this. It's a really cool activity. Really, really awesome. And they have drinks here. We got mojito and passion fruit something. And a salmon sandwich, or I forgot what that was. The view is incredible.
Thank you.
So we absolutely love the King Power Tower. Now we're gonna go have dinner, and we're going to the Brazilian steakhouse because we miss a nice Brazilian steak. Like I said, we're going to a nice steakhouse, and after that we're gonna call it a night. Good morning, and today is our last day here at the Novotel. We already packed all of our bags and we're gonna go. We're checking out of the hotel and we're going to an Airbnb. After checking into our new place, we went to a local park to feed the birds and fish. Look at this. Ooh, they're big. Hello. Anybody home? And there we go. This is our last night in Bangkok for now. Tomorrow we're heading to Prachuap Khiri Khan. Today we kind of just walked around, visited the park, and then we went to a buffet. It was a seafood buffet. It was really nice. I'll put in some clips right here. Yeah, we love that buffet. We said if we are gonna move to Bangkok, we'll definitely go back. A lot of seafood, really, really good. And that's gonna be it for our Bangkok adventure for now. Tomorrow morning we're heading out and on to a new city. Thank you for joining us in our adventure in Bangkok, Thailand today. If you enjoyed the content, please leave this video a big thumbs up. And as always, stay safe, be nice to each other, and we'll see you in the next one.